The next hidden feature in your car is you can actually access a hidden menu inside your BMW where you can do a service reset, you can check your temperatures, and do some cool things in there. The most useful purpose for this is, like I said, resetting your services, or if you have a model like this one that doesn't have a temperature gauge, you can actually use the hidden menu to access a temperature gauge in the car. What we're going to do, we're going to turn the car on without turning the engine on. You can turn the engine on as well, but for this purpose, we're not going to. We don't need to. Right here, what you're going to do is your reset button, you are going to hold for about 10 seconds. You'll see this pop up. Just keep holding the button. Don't let go yet. So now you've reached the hidden menu: identification, system test, start roller, a bunch of stuff here. But where you want to go to is unlock. So you're going to hold the button again and then the code. So this is going to be the sum of the last 5 digits of your VIN number. So it's probably going to be 19, 20, or 21 in most cases. For me, it's 19. Hold again. So then you have consumption, which will give you consumption information, range, tank, how much you have in the tank, temperature. So this is how you get the oil temperature in your car. So if you don't have a temperature gauge, that's how you do it. BC, don't know what that one is. Speed and revs. So you can pretty much have that written out for you if you don't like the gauges. System voltage. And you got some other stuff. I don't really play with all that. Software resets, all kinds of stuff in here. So really useful menu for certain things. And then you could go to test end, hold to close out of the menu, press again, and that'll exit the menu. So it's not the most useful thing, but it's useful for certain things. So you could do a reset, you can check certain diagnostic stuff. So it is useful to know how to get into it, and it is a hidden feature inside of the car. There is an alternative that I recommend, and that's just getting an app called BimmerLink, which allows you to plug in an OBD adapter and get all that same information on your phone without having to go through all the secret menus every single time you start the car up. But nonetheless, it exists.